Good afternoon, everyone. This is me talking to you from Makati again. I'm going to be here through the balance of the week. But today I wanted to talk to you a bit about what our plans are for when I get back. We are actively preparing to run a bunch of do-it-yourself classes. These are going to involve making soaps, deodorants, perfumes, and the like. And the idea is, what we want to help you do is by using the essential oils, by using natural ingredients, is to give you the ability to eliminate all of the unnecessary chemicals that you're currently using. So household cleaning products get replaced. Personal care products get replaced. This, for example, this small bottle, this is deodorant. It's really simple to make. Takes all of about maybe 10 minutes. And you can scent it just about any way you like with a mix of essential oils. And it's all very basic ingredients. It winds up costing you less than if you buy the same product in the store. And in this case, it's 100% natural and will do no harm. Absolutely no harm. So, stand by. We will post schedules next week on when these classes are going to be held and where. And by the way, the classes will all be 100% free, no obligation. Just come, learn, enjoy, and let's start getting those nasty chemicals out of our lives. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Have a good day.